In today's health-conscious world, many individuals are turning to vegan diets as a way to improve their overall well-being and achieve weight loss goals. A vegan diet entails consuming only plant-based foods and eliminating all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, which are packed with essential nutrients and fiber. By following a vegan diet, individuals can experience numerous benefits for weight loss, such as lower calorie intake, improved digestion, and increased satiety. With the rising awareness of the impact of diet on health, exploring how a vegan diet can aid in weight loss is becoming increasingly relevant for those seeking a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. A vegan diet is centered around the exclusion of all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. Instead, it emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are vital for overall health and well-being. To ensure a balanced diet, vegans need to pay attention to their nutrient intake and may require supplementation for nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids that are commonly found in animal products. By focusing on a variety of plant-based foods and proper supplementation, individuals can thrive on a vegan diet while reaping its numerous health benefits. A vegan diet can be a powerful tool for weight loss due to several key mechanisms. Firstly, consuming plant-based foods often leads to a natural calorie deficit, as these foods are typically lower in calories compared to animal products. Additionally, vegan diets are high in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. Furthermore, plant-based foods are rich in phytonutrients, compounds found in plants that have been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense plant foods, individuals following a vegan diet can effectively support their weight loss goals. Effective meal planning and nutrient intake are crucial aspects of a vegan diet for successful weight loss. Balancing macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats is key to ensuring a well-rounded and satisfying meal. Incorporating sources of plant-based proteins such as legumes, tofu, and quinoa can help meet protein needs and support muscle maintenance during weight loss. Meal prep ideas like batch cooking grains and vegetables, preparing smoothie packs, and creating hearty salads can streamline meal preparation and encourage healthy eating habits. It's essential for individuals following a vegan diet to pay attention to adequate intake of vitamins B12, D, and iron by incorporating fortified foods or supplements to prevent deficiencies and support overall health. Incorporating exercise and making mindful lifestyle choices are essential components to complement a vegan diet for effective weight loss. Regular physical activity not only enhances the weight loss benefits of a vegan diet by increasing calorie expenditure and promoting muscle tone, but also improves overall cardiovascular health and boosts metabolism. Managing stress levels and prioritizing quality sleep are equally important in achieving weight loss goals, as stress and lack of sleep can negatively impact metabolism and appetite regulation. Encouraging viewers to adopt a holistic approach to health, incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can further support overall well-being and weight management while following a vegan diet. Let's dive into inspiring success stories and testimonials of individuals who have achieved remarkable weight loss results through a vegan diet. Meet Sarah, who lost 30 pounds by transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle and incorporating regular exercise into her routine. Similarly, John struggled with weight management until he embraced a vegan diet rich in whole foods and plant-based proteins, shedding 25 pounds and improving his overall health. These success stories not only demonstrate the power of a vegan diet, but also provide valuable insights into the challenges faced and strategies utilized by individuals on their weight loss journey. In conclusion, a vegan diet offers a promising approach to weight loss with numerous benefits for overall health and well-being. By emphasizing plant-based foods rich in nutrients and fiber, individuals can experience improved metabolism, digestion, and satiety, making weight management more achievable. Encouraging viewers to consider incorporating more plant-based foods into their diet can lead to positive changes in health and weight. Taking action by subscribing for more health-related content and sharing this video with others can inspire and empower individuals to make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle.